Alright, well, the Tata OG Sierra is here from the house of Tata Motors and it's explaining the exteriors about the car. First of all, you see the OG headlamps joined here completely. It's called the Light Saber LEDs featuring seamless single piece connected DRLs and tail lamps with animated welcome and goodbye sequence connected edge to edge. Well, this is also a horizon view screen setup, a panoramic digital experience which is known as the Western segment, a big and bold R19 alloy wheels, iconic wraparound glass effect with a stylish B-pillar silhouette and hidden window liners along with a clamshell tailgate. Well, talking about the soundbar, of course, coming to the interiors now, we see that Tata Motors has done quite a bit of work with its interiors. Well, that of course going to come to the next video of it, but a loaded feature in its car in its segment. Talking about the interiors now, in the coming up sequence, we see all in all a new design from the house of Tata Motors for the exteriors is concerned. Now we'll quickly shift the focus to the interiors now. Alright, I'll get to drive this car in the next 10 days to now from now, so I cannot really comment how the engine is powered. But yes, talking about the first looks of the interior, it was already very thoughtful that it's a long interior with a long screen inside, but no, it's actually quite a decent amount of screen that has been given. The good part, however, is that the basic functions do have the physical buttons, touch buttons out there, which is really the need of the DC2 version. You have the wireless charging port here, and you also have a small glove box which you can really place your stuff. The good thing is that you have your separate glass holders here, which has been a demand for a very long time in the Tata cars as well. You see a nice, very dual tone textured here. Of course, talking about the steering, cushiony, nice. The first overall look, of the car looks pretty decent. Of course, this must be the heads-up display coming up. The start-stop button gets its own new place, and so all in all, the premium commanding of the car from inside is pretty nice. I won't be talking long about the interiors because we will get to do a detailed introduction, a detailed review of the car in 10 days from now. So let's save the best for the last, and of course, we'll check it out how the vehicle is. But yes, the first impressions of it inside the car with the engine on and with all the features on, with the access to the steering wheel, the stereo system out here, the car looks pretty decent in comparison to a Creta and probably a Maruti Suzuki Brezza, because this is the segment which is the most catered upon. This is the segment which is the most talked about. A lot of cars already survive in this segment. So yes, talking about this segment overall, we will see a good fight that Sierra will give eventually to the already established players. Alright, I couldn't have entered this video without showing you how the premiumness the Sierra has maintained. You see there's a seamless door handle where you can actually grab the vehicle from here, because the door opens quite a bit, almost to the 90 degrees, so you don't have to really stretch along and close the window. You have this option of holding a seamless hand holding experience here, which is actually looks very premium and very commanding. And also from the first looks of it, the start stop button has a nice textured wrap around here with a very smartly placed, very friendly, hand friendly placed. And do you see this kind of a panel here which really gives you an option to open the hood, and when you press the terrain button, when you circulate it, the LED lamps and the LED lamps here, ambient lighting also changes. You have this auto hold function here, so very classy and a very sleeky design function that Tata Motors has given. You also have your space to keep your functions here. But yes, what really attracts me is the premiumness that Tata Motors has focused upon on having your grab handles here. A very new in this segment, very posh feature that Tata Motors has given.